Sanjana here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm back with another layout as a part of Clique design team, and for the first time ever I'm going to be doing a traveler's notebook layout using the Buenos Dias collection like last time. But the challenge for this week was to use a sketch as an inspiration and recreate it, which I found very difficult. Um, because I am someone who don't use sketch as a part of scrapbooking process at all. I feel that it kind of limits me from executing all the ideas that keeps popping in my head as I look at a collection or a paper or an embellishment. And that's me personally and my personal opinion. And I think in my 5 to 6 years of scrapbooking, I've just done one layout using sketch, and that was for a challenge like this as well. So it was nice to do something for a change, and at the end I liked how the layout turned out to be, and that's all it matters. And all credits for that goes to the beautiful sketch that I discovered at Studio Calico website by Lisa Trusdale. I'm really sorry if I'm butchering the name. And I liked how simple and beautiful her sketch was. Both the sketch and everything that is used in the video will be linked in the description box below, so please do check it out. And another thing, now that I have done a layout using the sketch after a long period of time, I feel that it is a good starting point if you have a creative or a mental block. Because usually, especially with me, I can't talk for everyone, but with me, when I'm having a creative block, it's mainly because I can't decide how to kickstart a project or a layout. So I feel that once you have a sketch, you know the way to go about it, and maybe that pushes all you need to start your creative flow. So I think that's what I'm gonna do next time when I'm having a creative block. Now, moving on to the layout. So for the left side, I decided to cover the entire page using a picture. And this picture, which you see right here, was printed using a Canon Pixma Pro 100. And the measurement is 8¼ by 4¼ inches. And for the right side, I decided to punch hexagon shapes using my 2-inch Fisker punch. I also made sure that the shapes around the title, which is the yellow checkered pattern, were from different areas of the same paper. And that was mainly because one, I wanted the paper to be light in color, and two, that paper had like different gradients of color, so which made it easier for me to punch from different sides, and it won't feel that it's the same color or it's the same paper much. And that's where the journaling went. So I wanted to make sure that it's uniform and it's a similar pattern. And so what I'm doing right there is using Happy Life American Craft stickers. I love the stickers. I think I have like 2 of them in my stash because I like the size of it and I like the puffiness of it. It's very pretty, and I decided to use that. I was debating between another thing which you saw right there, which was from the Bloom Street collection, but I felt that it was too much color and I needed something dark. And for the left side, I used a Dear Lizzie face sticker from She Is Magic, as well as the Just a Little Lovely by Pink Fresh Studio face sticker. And I went over with the dotted lines on 3 hexagon shapes on the edges. I also debated if I wanted to do with all the hexagon shapes, but I felt that just doing it on 3 hexagon shapes would make it look much more nicer. So I decided to go with that, and then I'm doing my journaling on 2 shapes on the top and bottom of the title. And that's it for the layout, you guys. It's a very simple layout, and please do check out Clique website for everything that is used in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.